how you can make Garou, Hero, Hunter, and Gacha online. Okay, here we go. Okay, hold on. I passed some of it. Real hair, 3,777. Front hair, 226. Back hair, 1,200 and 490. That's for the skin. Head, shirt, 1,200 and 541. Sleeves, 1,100 and 627. Gloves, 9. Belt, 100. Pants, 1,000 and 441. Yep. Shoe, 55. Socks, 7. Eyes, 85. Eyebrows, 4,820. Nope. You're not finished yet. Mouth, 1,200 and 308. And here's the nose. $2,573. And now you're finished. Here's the skin. Here's for the skin. Copy it. Here's the hair color, the shirt color, the pants color, and the belt color, and that color, the eyes color. Oh yeah, and don't forget pupils, 999. And those are just black. And you're finished.